Alright guys, what's up? So today I got something really simple and easy I'm going to do. It's a spaghetti dish. It's something really fast you can whip together. I got hot Italian sausage right here. I got a bell pepper and spaghetti. And then go ahead and get your favorite jar of whatever tomato sauce you want to use. Usually I'd make my own sauce, but since this is a fast dish, I'm just going to use some good jarred tomato sauce. That's pretty much it. Got some Pecorino cheese and I'm going to throw in there also. And so seriously, from start to finish, it should take you about 20 minutes to finish everything up. Just make sure you do all of this little stuff ahead of time, like chopping up the garlic. I'm doing 3 cloves of garlic. I got a bell pepper right here. I'm just going to slice the ends off. It's easiest for me to do it like this. Make sure you got a sharp knife if you're going to try this. Otherwise, it's pretty hard to do. But it's better just keep all the seeds in the middle like that. You don't have to mess with nothing. And I got the Pecorino cheese on the side right there. I'm just going to dice this up, and then we're going to throw it in. I got this pack of hot Italian sausage. If I can go back, I'd probably use the regular links of sausage, but I'm using half of that. And then make sure you salt your water pretty good. Put about 2-3 tablespoons in there. Then we got the sausage right here. I'm going to brown it up pretty good. Let the fat render out. I'm not really going to start with any olive oil. I might add a little bit in after that once this gets all browned up. But then I got the bell pepper all diced up. I'm going to throw in there. Not quite using it all because it's kind of a lot. Then I'm just throwing a little bit of seasoning on there. I got the black pepper and a little pinch of salt, just like that. And we got some Italian oregano. Just gonna do about a half teaspoon. It's about all you need. You don't need that much. And we're just gonna let that saute at medium-high heat. Then I got the garlic I'm gonna throw in at the end. It's about 3 cloves of garlic. Use however much garlic you want, but I don't want it to burn, so I put it in at the end. And let that go for another minute. I got a little less than half a box of spaghetti. I'm gonna throw in there. Whatever your box says, do it about a minute less, just so you get a little bite to it. That's the way I like it. But if you like to cook your pasta a little more, that's on you. Try to avoid a fire in your kitchen. Get it back on the heat. Yeah, with the pasta, I mean, it's going to absorb the sauce once you throw it in the pan anyway. So you want it a little underdone. That's the way I always do it. Yeah, so that's going to take about 8 minutes. And yeah, so I got the sauce sitting off to the side. It's kind of cooking a little bit, and if I would have timed it better, I should have had the water boiling ahead of time, and then, you know, I could have timed it up better. But I just turned the heat off right here. It's kind of looking a little pathetic and sad, but I got the pasta almost cooked up, and when it's done, I'm just going to throw it in the pan. And then when you're putting the pasta in the pan, don't be afraid to let any water drip in there, because that's, you know, a lot of the starch in there is going to help it, the sauce stick to the pasta as well as absorb in there. And all we're going to do is just give it a little toss in the pan. And give a little grate of that Pecorino cheese. You could use Parmesan cheese if you like. I just like Pecorino because it has that funkiness to it. A little more flavor. It's better in my opinion. Yeah, just give it a little toss like that. Get the heat back up on high. If the sauce is a little too thick for you, then put some more pasta water in there because it's going to add a little bit of seasoning because there's some salt in the water anyway. And it just makes it taste good all around. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just get the heat up and cook it. And then kind of move the pasta around to get everything kind of absorbed and worked in there and reduce it down a little bit, but that's pretty much it. We're just gonna plate it up, and then when I plate it, I like to put the pasta, as much pasta as you can on the plate first, and then just for presentation, put everything else on top. That's kind of the way they do it in the restaurants. But yeah, overall I was happy with this. Everything tasted pretty good. But as far as the sausage, link sausage would be better in my opinion. The sausage I got tasted more like kind of like breakfast sausage. Didn't have much flavor as I would like. But when you hit it with that Pecorino cheese, everything is okay. Look at that. Got the money shot right there for you guys. You got the sweetness from the peppers. You got a little spiciness from the sausage. It's pretty hot. You gotta watch out a little bit. The only thing I regret is not putting a little chili flakes in there because I like really spicy food. And I always put chili flakes in, but overall, I was happy with it. And once again, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you made it all the way through, I want to thank you. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you did like it. And if you do want to subscribe, go ahead. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot. Peace out.